Question 11. So part 1, find algebraically the coordinates of A and C. Well, that's obviously where the two curves meet. So as per normal, where any two things meet, you just solve the simultaneous equation. So we're having this equaling this. So I've gathered it all over to the right hand side. I've noticed that each of these terms is divisible by 2, so I've divided by 2. This factorizes, giving me x being 2 and 5. Now I can then substitute this 2 and 5 into either of the equations. I've chosen the bottom one because I think that's a bit easier, and I've then worked out the corresponding y values for when x is 2 and x is 5, and I got y is 3 and y is 6. So coordinate A is 2, 3 and coordinate C is 5, 6. Now for part 2, I've been asked to find the area under the leaf. Now this area here is the area under this curve here, which I'm calling y2. That's the one with the negative x squared, this top one, because that would give me all of this area here, all of this. So it's that less the area under the smiley face curve, which would be this area here. So make sure you realize that the required area between the two curves, this bit here, is this total area under the sad face curve less this area under the happy face curve. So the way we set that out is to say, right, we are going to integrate y2 less y1 between 2 and 5. Okay, so our y2 is this, our y1 is this. Gather this all up, so be careful, this is minus x squared plus 6x minus 11. That gives us this. So make sure that you're happy that you are just basically going to integrate this, which is amalgam of the two curves when you've taken y2, take away y1. You then integrate this, so add 1 to each power, divide by the new power, and you substitute in for 5 and 2, which I've done here in blue. Be very careful, take your time with your calculator, gives you a final answer of 9.